Hi learners, welcome. In this video I am going to explain the differences between molality and molarity and the formula that we use to calculate molality and molarity, and we will also discuss few problems how to solve on molality and molarity. The first point I am going to discuss here is what is the definition of molality and molarity. First point, molality is defined as number of moles. Generally these are all terms we use for solutions, right? So number of moles of solute, the one which dissolves in a solvent. The number of moles of solute per kg of solvent. Per kg of solvent is called molality. So we are taking the weight of solvent in kgs. Then the term molality should be used. What is the formula of molality? Molality is shown by a small m, and the formula is number of moles of solute to that of weight of solvent in terms of kgs. Okay, now how can we define molarity? Molarity is nothing but number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Okay, here we are talking about kg, but here we talk about volume in liters. Okay, molarity is nothing but number of moles of solute dissolved in liter of solution, per liter of solution, you can say. Okay, the formula here we use the symbol capital M. Capital M is used to show the symbol, small m for molality, capital M for molarity. So molarity is number of moles of solute to that of volume of solution. Okay, here we are talking solution, not solvent. Solution in liters. Okay, that is the difference between molality and molarity. Molarity means we take only weight of the solvent in the denominator, whereas here we are taking volume of solution together in the denominator. So next thing, if you see here, the units for molality are moles per kg, number of moles per kg, whereas the units for molality are, you can easily guess here, number of moles per liter. Okay, moles per liter of the solution. And here I already told you another difference. It is indicated with capital small m and it is capital M. Molality is indicated, symbol we use to denote small m for molality, and here the symbol we use is capital M for molarity. Okay, next here if you see, here we are taking number of moles and weight of the solvent. That means what? Molality is independent parameter. It doesn't depend on temperature. It is independent on temperature. But here if you see, we are taking the volume of solution. Whenever you talk about volume, it is temperature dependent. So it is depending on temperature. That's the reason why in general we use the word molality to represent concentration of the solutions instead of molarity. So next one more formula also we can use for molality and molarity. Number of moles can be converted into, number of moles is equal to weight by molar mass for molality multiplied by 1 mole per mole. Okay, so that means what? Instead of this I can write this one. Then the formula becomes molality is equal to weight of the solute to that of molar mass of the solute multiplied by per mole And what else we have? Weight of solvent. Weight of solvent in kg. Okay, even we can use this formula to calculate molality of a substance. Whenever they give weight of the solute, you can use directly this formula. When they give moles, you can use this formula. This is first one and this is second one. Similarly, in this case also, I am going to write another formula. Molarity is equal to weight of the solute, to that of molecular weight we have to take in case of molarity. Molecular weight should be multiplied with 1 mole. What is this? 1 mole. 1 is mole. Divided by V, and volume in ml. Volume in liters, sorry. Volume in liters. Okay, even you can use this formula to calculate molarity of any substances if they give directly weight. Okay, now let me give few examples how can we solve problems on molality and molarity. I hope you understood the difference between what is molality and what is molarity. I gave definitions and equations for calculation. Okay, so first problem I am giving here is find what is the molality of 0.0 moles of solute. First one, when 0.4 moles of solute is dissolved in 0.2 kg of solvent. Find molality. This is the first thing. Okay, what I have to do, I can use the direct formula. See, number of moles, number of kgs they have given. So molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent. Use this formula, substitute in this equation. That is equal to number of moles are 0.5 moles and weight directly they gave in the kgs. If they gave in grams, you please convert into kg. That is equal to, if you can do calculation, 4 by 2 means 2 moles. So molality is equal to 2m. That's the answer. Now for molarity, how can I do problems? Molarity, how can we do problems? Same thing I will explain here. So find 5 moles of solute is dissolved in 0.3 liters of solution. Find its molarity. Based on the terms they have given, you can guess. Here they gave in liters and moles. So what parameter they are asking to calculate? Molarity. So molarity means capital M. That is equal to number of moles. How many? 0.5 moles to that of volume in liters. So 0.3 liters directly they gave. They gave in mls, you please convert into liters. That is equal to, you can directly 5 by 3. That means 1.66 moles. This is the answer. Okay, and one more problem I will explain here. If they gave weight of the solute instead of moles, if they gave weight, you have to use second formula. That is, when 40 grams of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent, find its molality. See, grams and kgs means molality. So molality is equal to, we know the other formula, that is weight of the solute, weight by molar mass multiplied by 1 mole and per kg of solvent. This is the formula we have Please substitute in this formula. Weight they give 40 and molar mass of NaOH is 40. You can calculate molar mass multiplied by 1 per kg. How many kgs they give? 1 kg. So molality is equal to small m is equal to, all they will get cancelled. So you will get 1, what is this? Moles per kg. 1 mole. This is also moles per kg. This is moles per liter. Okay. Now one more formula I'm going to write here. How can you solve molarity problem? Okay. When 50 grams of calcium carbonate is dissolved in 2 liters of water, find its molarity. Find its molarity. Then what you have to do here, you should not use the first formula because they have given in grams of solute, not moles. If they gave moles, you can use this formula, but they have given grams. What formula you have to use? Molarity is equal to, capital M is equal to weight by molecular weight. Weight is how much? 50. Molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100. Both are in grams. Okay, both must be in grams, multiplied by per mole of a solute to that of volume in liters. Okay, how many liters they gave here? 2 liters. So simplify this equation. That is equal to 2 times 2 to the power 4, 1 over 4, that is equal to 0.25 mole. So molarity is equal to 0.25 moles per liter. Okay, these are the answers that we got. Okay, in this way, by using both the formulas, we can do problems on molality and molarity calculation. Here I gave you directly how to calculate molality. They may give molality and they may ask you to calculate weight of this solute. In that case, you have to substitute this value and you have to find this value. Okay, they may ask in any way. So in these are the basic differences between molality and molarity and how to solve problems on molality and molarity. Hope this will be helpful for you. Please do watch my videos, rest of all my videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.